Okay, so electronic communication, elect like it means electric. The technology which is used nowadays, it's called
Mhm.
electronic. Either on email, either on WhatsApp, either on social media, it's electronic. Electronic transfer of information, data, and received by someone, then they give feedback. It is called electronic communication using devices through
Yeah.
mobile, through tablets, through each and everything, which
Mhm.
send data, which send information, and by that medium or by that device, you get the information back. That is called the electronic communication. Got it?
Yeah.
By this, communication flows through an organization structure. Last time we discussed these two things.
Uh-huh.
Why we call it, if it is chief executive, then message sent to board of directors, then managers, then team leaders. It is called vertical communication. Okay, because
Vertical thing.
chief executive is different purpose of work from the board of directors. Board of directors have different work from the manager. Manager have different type of work from team leaders, and team leaders have different sort of job specification from shop floor employees. Got it?
What
So
means board of directors
yes,
and chief
chief
executive?
executive chief executive is selected from the board of directors. Okay, board of directors are the owners of any
Uh-huh.
business of organization. Then they select any one of the from the board of directors, that you are our CEO, chief executive officer, that you deal each and everything. And sometimes he or he may she got a lot of shares of that business. That's why he's called chief executive.
Uh-huh.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now horizontal communication. So in a horizontal communication, uh, the information flow in a series of one line managers. For example, marketing manager to sales manager, sales department, then sales department to sell worker. Okay, then sell on board, like one in one series of line managers. If you share information, this will be called horizontal communication. Got it? So horizontal and vertical different.
Yeah. Okay.
And two-way communication means that you send information. For example, I mute you and you are not discussed with me, so it will be called one-way communication. And you also answering me, I'm also telling you, uh, giving lecture on the communication, different types and process. So you are also giving me answer, so it will be called two-way communication. Either if I mute you, so it will be one-way communication. So sometimes if chief executives have a notice to someone, and they just put the notice on the notice board or message on the notice board, so no one can answer, so it will be one-way communication. And sometimes they want reply, so it will be two-way communication. So it flows the communication like this. Okay, so different websites, text messages, it's also the technological communication or electronic communication. uh, this will be defined like this. Okay. Sometimes video conferencing, intranet, and visual communication. Visual communication use images to transmit information to audience. Methods like, for example, this method which I am using, so it is a visual communication. I'm talking to you also, and also giving you lecture, and also showing my screen, which is visual. And different, if I show you different charts and graphs, so it will be visual. So sometimes this method is used mostly to to the business which have want to promote or want to advertise by posters, by displays, or sometimes they want to communicate with the customer by web pages, by photographic. So it is called like this. And so this is also the different companies give the message through visual, and it is important for every business to take any one method, when choose one or two methods to continue the business, to communicate the in business with different people, and it is necessary. So it is however, it does have a significant drawback in that it is often one way and may not offer the opportunity for feedback. For this graphic visual communication
What
have
you meant
one.
by oral?
Oral means simply you talk, okay? Like you talk to
Yeah.
someone, it is called oral. And when you see the pictures, for example, you see signboard outside the street, out on the road, okay? So it is visual,
Mm-hmm.
okay? So both of the oral and visual, both communication is necessary to tell any of your stakeholder and want to communicate with your stakeholder. Okay, so this is
Okay.
our lesson for today. These all things which we have done, and also I will give you the assignment for this. And before this, if you have any problem, so you can ask me, and then we will finish it.
Okay.